Where do we find the greatest diversity of bees at Weaver Lake Elementary?
Importance of bees. All bees are important for pollinating because bees are 1/3 of our pollination, and they help crops grow, which means 1/3 of our food depends on them.
Some other pollinators are birds, beetles, butterflies, squirrels, and bats, wasps, flies, midges, ants, mosquitoes, and moths.
Native bees. Honeybees aren't native. Here are some kinds of native bees and reasons why they're important. Bumblebees are native and they help tomatoes grow. They also pollinate clovers, a crop that cattle eat. Adrena bees pollinate in the early season. They also are important pollinators for spring crops like apples, blueberries, and cherries. Halictidae bees visit 4 to 8 flowers and carry lots of pollen. Mason bees are very good at pollinating fruit trees. They are also known as orchard bees.
Our investigation, bee trapping and lab identification. Procedure. First, we found the bee on a flower in the prairie. Next, we trapped the bee in a cup by hovering the container over the bee. Then the bee flew up and we closed the lid. Then we froze it in the freezer. We also did it because they were going to die anyway. Last, we took out the bee and pinned it carefully and observed it. We identified a bumblebee.
Results. Our class caught 10 bumblebees, 2 honeybees, 1 fly, 1 halictidae, 1 megachile. Our grade level caught 20 honeybees, 22 bumblebees, 7 halictidae, 5 serratina, and 1 megachile.
Threats to pollinators. Pesticides are bad because if a bee consumes it, it has the same effect as nerve gas does on humans. 30,000 bees die every year because of pesticides. If all the bees were gone, 1/3 of our food is gone. Pheromones are like ticks or leeches. Pheromones hang on bees like ticks or leeches hang on humans and suck blood.
Advocacy. And here is what you can do. Here's why it's important. You can stop spraying pesticides or anything similar. Grow plants, flowers, and herbs for bees. Have clean water in a shallow basin. Spraying pesticides kill bees. Growing bee-friendly flowers like lavender, marigolds, bee balm, lilac, and crocus flowers. The basin of water is because bees get thirsty, so they need water to drink. Created by Hannah
And Jillian.
Credits. .co, TED Talks, Marla Spivak, Queen of the Sun, Bee Basics, EFOTG-USDA, Michigan State University, University of Minnesota, Encyclopedia of Life, USDA Forest Service, Mrs. LJ, Mrs. Jutton, the Honeybee Conservancy.